Oh man, it's hot. Hey, what's up guys? Long time no talk. It's been a minute, innit? I've just been really busy and really bored during winter because of this COVID shit. Right now we're June 8th. I've been riding since March actually. I just didn't record nothing. But right now I'm on my way to VT motorcycles. Gonna do my tires. So if you guys are wondering which tires I got the Michelin Commander 2s. Heard a lot of good things about those tires, so I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it's better than the stock ones that come with the bike. Sheesh, I'm gonna get late if this continues. I gotta be there for 1. Alright guys, wish her luck.
1 eternity later.
Alright, first impressions, the tires are really good. They're pretty dang sticky. Pretty good so far. So they're pretty good so far. I mean, I can't really push it because the tires are brand new. I gotta wait like 100 kilometers or something so they could get used to the road, I guess, the streets. But it's kind of slippery and it's new. As you guys saw earlier, I got my tires done by Vince VT Motorcycles Maintenance, and he's the only one that I trust working on my bike other than myself. He hasn't let me down, so he's the only one that gets to touch the bike. So thank you, Vince, and to your team for the work. Damn, I guess powerful. So yeah, it's been a while since I talked to you guys, eh? It's just been I have no ideas, to be honest. I mean, I've been riding since March, but I just didn't record anything. I just don't know what to talk about, you know. I'm not the talkative person, I just ride. So I figured I'd make this video since I'm doing my tires, just to reconnect with you guys. Like, what would you guys like me to talk about? Give me some ideas, man. Anyways, for those of you who came back and those of you that are new, welcome to the channel. This short video is just an update. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.